Hello, this is Moll reporting for We Are Godful. At the moment there is torrential rain, and I'm going to go outside now. And Jed is here too. Okay, let's go. You see all the water flooding down the road. Hi, we are reporting for We Are Godful, and we're just about to go outside in the rain in
Swimming costumes, yeah.
because we're going to the beach. Okay, but the beach is my garden instead.
And it's pouring with rain.
Yeah, so that's perfect beach weather, isn't it, Dad? And by the way, just so you know, this isn't winter, we're in August, so kind of...
Well, they'll know when it goes up to here.
Well, yeah.
There's bread on
No,
the
no,
floor.
no, no, no. Huh?
There was bread on the floor.
Bread on the floor! Woo, I'm going on the trampoline. This is where we filmed our dangers in the trampoline. And now it's going to be Moll on the trampoline. Do you want to film?
Yes, I will.
You're going to smash me!
Whoa, that's thunder.
Thunder! Trampolines are made of metal. I took it off now just for safety. That's another one of our incidents.
Safety, yes.
Safety, yeah. We're so... Because we're all about the safety.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, so what do you want to do now? Run around?
Yeah.
Look how wet this bench is. Well, you probably can't see it.
Okay, no, it is.
No, I am body surfing on a soaking wet bench in the middle of a thunderstorm. Okay. What do you want to do?
I don't know.
We are incredibly mad. We're probably going to get like a really bad cold after this.
I've already had a cold this summer, so I'm good.
But I haven't. But I don't care!
We're just doing this to show everyone how mad we are.
Yes.
Yeah.
All hail madness. And
No,
wet
come
stuff.
on.
Woo! Let's show you all the water dripping from the pipe thingy. Don't play with the hose!
No!
Yeah.
The hose.
Yeah.
If you spray me with it, I'm going to kill you.
We're playing with the hose.
Look! It's a dripping pipe.
And the hose! Woo!
She's spraying me!
I'm the mad one.
Oh, but we all knew that.
Yes, we did.
I say we should play cricket now.
Yes.